Hi guys, I am Ali, and in this video I want to show you how to install a downloaded package on Ubuntu. Of course, this package must be Debian, and yeah, then you can install it, because yeah, you can always install some apps from App Store or Ubuntu software and install it, but there are some apps that you can find there, and yeah, you will just download. You have to download the package and then install it. Okay, let's start. First, we have to open terminal. In terminal, just you can use you can open terminal with Albert. This is Albert. Just you write terminal and enter. It open. It will open. Albert is a app launcher. Is really useful. If you don't have Albert, I really suggest you to install it. If you don't know how to install it, okay, just I have another video. Just check it. Just go to that link and copy paste the commands in the terminal, and yeah, you will have it. And of course, you can check that video and know how to install it. Or you can open your terminal by Control Alt T. It will open the terminal. Okay, I have downloaded a package. And first we must go there. It's in downloads. Then we go to CD by CD downloads. Now we are here. We have to check what we have here. Okay, with command ls, and it will show you what you have in downloads. I just want to install this one. Okay, copy, and here I write sudo dpkg-e, and for pasting you always click right paste, or just alt shift v. It will paste, and then enter our password. Okay, because I have already installed it and updated, it said it's currently installed. Okay, in this way you can install this app. Such that this app is really useful app, and working with PDF, it's really useful, really useful. I like it. And you can easily edit a PDF file and save it again. You can change a PDF file to Word file. I don't know. It's really useful. If you don't have it, I suggest you to install it. And if you want me to show you how to install it, just let me know in the comment and I will install for you. Okay, now I have downloaded it. And okay, let's if now I'm in downloads, I want to back to the home. I just write cd and tilde. With this command you will back direct to the home, and you don't need to write cd cd double point to come back to the home. Just write cd tilde and it will bring you to back to the home. Okay, for uninstalling, you have installed a package. Now you want to uninstall. You don't need anymore this app, and you want to uninstall it. Okay, just you write sudo apt purge and the package name. After sudo apt purge, you just write the package name, and it will uninstall the app and all the files that is for this app. It means it's the best way to uninstall an app. You can write sudo apt remove, but it will not remove all the files. from this app, but with the purge command, yeah, you can remove all the files and then write the app that you want to remove. And after removing, always do this sudo apt auto remove, and it will look for some files that from some apps that are already uninstalled but still here in your system, and it will remove it. Let me check here. I have nothing to remove. Okay. Okay, that was what I wanted to show you. If you are, yeah, that's about installing. Of course, do not forget always it must be Debian package. It means the package must be at the end with .deb. It's Debian package, and you can install it in this way. And of course, for removing, now you have it. Okay, I hope you will find this video useful. If you like this video, please like it and share it. Thank you.